Okay, here we are. There's Keith doing a video down to the trail. We're cleaning out a tree, burning it right there. We just cut down that tree right over there. So this is the trail down to the spring.
Yes.
We ready? We're going to enjoy a little walk today. Keith just mowed the lawn. Look how beautiful that is. So here you can see our opening of the trail, which is not so obvious.
Yeah. This is good.
Oh, Shelly was wondering what this was. What's that green thing?
I don't know.
She started to dig it up, but then was worried that it would go on forever. So decided to stop.
Could be another conveyor belt. Oh.
So except for this little section right here, we have just trimmed out the trees in here, and we swept a little of the grass. But for the most part, we just cleaned out the trees.
And all the deer tracks on it, they're using it too.
Oh yeah, look at all these deer tracks. What the heck? Are those deer tracks?
Those are deer tracks, yes.
I mean, we should charge a toll. They are using our trail. So eventually, where all these sticks are here on the side, we're going to level out the trail because it's pretty slippery. As you walk along this hill, it's hard to see, but maybe that gives you a good indication how steep the slope is. But we're going to level all this out, and then hopefully next year it'll look aged like it was always this way. Oh, where's the vine? Oh, we got to show you something with the vine. If you cut a vine and it drips, you can drink the water. And the part that is away from the vine source starts to heal. So if you look at this, it congeals this blubber snot thing.
But still drinkable.
It's still drinkable, but when we first cut these,
it's pure
water. We put a cup. We put one of those.
One of these.
We put one of those, and right where it dripped right into it, and we took it home and we were drinking it just like water. So it's pretty cool. There's another place down here too that did this. So now we're here. This is the hill we need to build steps on. So walking down. It's a little muddy still. It rained a couple days ago. You can see where I slipped?
Yeah, I just slipped there.
And then
Viburnum trees help a little bit.
And then over 50 years ago, we purchased this house. The people who lived here before us did wonderful landscaping, but apparently just said, hey, we're going to dump whatever down in the forest. So look at all this trash. Our goal is to clean all this up.
They've actually taken out like 3 or 4 cars.
Yeah, there used to be a bunch of cars here. Remnants of cars. There's a hood right
Still
here.
hood.
And tires. Tons of tires all over down here in the forest. Weird. Just tires. Like, they're like, hey,
Yeah.
we don't need that tire anymore. What's weird now, you can't even go to the store now and change your own tire. You got to get that fancy tool. Apparently.
Back then, I guess you could do it at home.
So anyway, we digress. The trail continues. Now we're down at this. This is basically runoff from the road up there. And after the rain, there was water in here, but now there's no longer water. So we're still walking through the trail. We have a major task. We're building a bridge. Oh, you don't know, Keith. We cleared kind of a path.
Oh, for the
straight up there.
Right, I see it.
And it's even more open right behind that big tree.
Yep.
It goes all the way up to our yard. So we cleared a straight pathway all the way down here so we can drag
those.
The 2 big 9-foot long logs, cedar logs, that we will show you later. Widowmakers. And then we're going to come and then go straight here. And we're going to bring the logs down there.
Okay.
Because
it'd be easier to go there than it would be to pass it over.
Because right down in that section there's going to be a little bridge. eventually made out of cedar. But for now, we're continuing on the trail. So yesterday, Shelly and I came here, no, 2 days ago, I think. Maybe it was yesterday, I don't remember. Oh, Keith cut this big tree. Right there, he cut that. We were crawling over this.
Cut it with a butter knife.
Cut it with a butter knife. Little electric saw actually did it. It was
Yes,
pretty impressive. So we originally were going to say, hey, let's build some steps right here. And if you look carefully, we'll go down those actually.
Yeah.
If you look carefully, Keith dug in some footsteps right on that side of the hill.
I'll sample them.
He'll demonstrate.
Demonstrate the steps.
See, it's pretty steep. I don't know if the camera shows